Magik Theatre is thrilled to debut its 2021-22 season at its downtown theater and hemisphere with Maddies Fridge. Well, the show is partnered with the San Antonio Food Bank to help shine a light on food insecurity. Anthony Runfola joins us now to share more. Good morning, Anthony.
Good morning.
Well, first of all, tell us all about the production, Maddies Fridge.
Well, Maddies Fridge is the story of two best friends, Maddi and Sophia. They go to the same school, they live in the same neighborhood. And one day, Sophia goes over to Maddi's house and discovers she has no food in her fridge. And Maddi says, "Please don't tell anybody. I need you to keep it a secret." And so the play is really about Sophia's, wrestling with the decision to break her promise to her best friend and not tell anyone, or to find her help.
A sad reality for so many people these days. And Anthony, talk about how people can help, because you guys are partnering with HEB, but people can also attend the great production and donate as well.
That's right. So we are working with the San Antonio Food Bank. We have a food drive at the show. So when you come out to see the show, grab some non-perishable items from your pantry and bring them to the theater. We've got a goal of hoping to raise about 2,000 pounds throughout the run of the show. And then also we will be, Maddies Fridge will get to tour to schools throughout the state as well, this fall and in the spring of 22. And so the food bank is working with us again to help get information and resources out to folks who might need it.
And Anthony, I didn't realize that. That's wonderful. So why is this such a good message for kids?
Well, it's empowering for them. And on both sides of it, on one side you have that it's okay to ask for help sometimes. It doesn't mean you're not strong if you have to ask for help. But also sometimes you have to make a choice of, if you need to help somebody else, sometimes, those things that we do that kind of stop us from helping other people, we can set those aside and reach out to someone else in need.
And before we go, Anthony, tell us about your season. I know the last year and a half has been really tough for you guys, but you guys are finally back for 21-22. So talk about your upcoming season.
It's almost unreal, right? We're opening a whole new season. We have plans throughout the whole year, and so next up we're bringing back our production of Snow White that ran briefly in the winter of last year. It's a two-person Snow White, but there's still 7 dwarves. That's all I'll say. And then at the holiday time, we're bringing Ella Enchanted, the musical, to stage. So you might remember that book and that movie, actually.
All right, some suspense there for us. Well, Anthony, tell us how we can check out Maddies Fridge and your new season.
Maddies Fridge is on stage through October 30th, and all of the information you need to get tickets is at magiktheatre.org, and that's magic with a K.
And don't forget to check what items may be needed before you go, and bring some canned food and other things like peanut butter. Anything else you want to add real quick, Anthony?
Oh, peanut butter, vegetables, condiments, things like that are all great.
Anything will help. All right, Anthony, thanks so much for joining us this morning. Yes. And we'll have a link as well to the Magik Theatre on KENS5.com if you want to get your tickets now. Thank you.